Chaos called Delhi Airport. Always up for an adventure. Didn't allow us to take our tripod. We had to insist. They said it's oversized, overweight, this, that, because we had to take it to Manchester. First episode of the summer of 25. I don't know whether we'll be able to keep track of the number of episodes, but since this is the first episode, let's call it off. And it has been a world record of sorts. It took me nearly 2.5 hours to reach the Delhi airport. It rained, and when it rains, you just can't move an inch in Delhi. The queues just don't stop. They keep getting longer. Chaos called Delhi airport. Always up for an adventure. Didn't allow us to take our tripod. Caused a lot of ruckus with our equipment. We had to insist. They said it's oversized, overweight, this, that, God knows what. But eventually they put it in some oversized compartment because we had to take it to Manchester. That's where we'll be going now, via Dubai. And from Manchester we'll be taking a bus to Leeds, where the Indian cricket team will be playing the first test versus England. That's the tripod which they weren't allowing us to take or put it in the bag because it couldn't come into the bag. We just wanted some money, it seems.
6 hours later.
Those were the first visuals of the Dubai airport, and this is our halt before we take our flight to Manchester, before taking the bus to Leeds. Still a long way before we get to our final destination, but some journey has been covered, and we'll have a couple of hours to spend here in Dubai. Not stepping out, staying in the airport, sorting out some stuff for you for timeswender.com, so you keep watching. Leg, Dubai to Manchester, and we should be in Leeds in a few hours time. Not a few hours time, still around time. The good thing is, it's the last leg.
Eventually.
Finally, it's touched down Manchester, but it's still not Leeds. We still have a bus journey to undertake. My throat is all gone. It's been a very long flight with this much luggage. A lot of luggage because we'll be here for close to 2 months, bringing you all the action from ground zero. First stop will be Leeds, and I'm still some time away from Leeds, but we should be able to get there very soon. So you keep watching. I'll leave you with some visuals of Manchester, which looks beautiful at first sight. The temperature is around 14 to 15 degrees Celsius. Very pleasant. Little bit of sunshine there, but you never know with the English weather what happens when I step out of the airport. So keep watching. More from Manchester coming up your way. And with that, and nearly 24 hours later, the journey to Leeds is finally complete, from Delhi to Dubai to Manchester, and now finally Leeds. A mix of cab, plane, bus, another bus awaits, and we will be at the ground shortly, bringing you all the action from ground zero. You know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to our Sports YouTube channel. We'll ensure that you don't miss a beat and you don't miss an update. That's it for now.